Shana Racha Kakui Shing was a me Titi Kanan Kon Latkaching. Also chorus or vocabulary or task chores a ke task Lut kana Latin kon the Latkaching was a me. Bishungaja no Kalet kon Latkaching. Kalet gur o de ngaja naba ka talk English kana talk Nuer anona. Guatame Mishalke watch the ditches. Again tournament. Watch the ditches, no laktani, you know. Don't there an a gorge, they go no they got like cherry major and laktan, key laktani, today catani. Meradian, feed the dog, you know. Cherry jonji, misni, the joke, key me the joke, you know, feed the dog. Meradian may clean the window, Malalka may shake a minute. Loma like wearing in a duel, shall clean the window, like wearing in a duel. Named Medodiana me tight up the room, tidy up the room. Tight up the room me, like a node, allow young Nikamu and duel K yeja, Lamy ye should call Wojim, and me jam missionary duel be wo K, poor jipping. Oji karkaran continual tied up the room na me kel guada me move kon pin sweep the floor guada me yogoni je en wo yej pin mi yej pin chal sweep the floor o pin dere yej me dong te mi jang mit pin dere yej you know chal sweep the floor radian turm radian me mop the floor lurno lack pin, mopping the floor, ke mop the floor, lack pin, ke yet pin, lack kaneja, mop the floor. The DNA vacuum the floor, a yet by yet, jenepin do no cooler lot ni, jackato cooler lot, kajan vacuum cleaner mo. Vacuum cleaner mon in a more quite you vacuum the floor. Jen a machine mishari alekam la load netty jug the alcona duel a pew a tube any juaja jug guad by load bay and anka dunda neme la being a magualo cherme la ka load bagalatka gentlemen. You know, Michel load bagala the guadamo bagaculo yak, then shall vacuum the floor. A lamlo the cake a jom, bell jom raga cola load nekarich. Vacuum the floor. Mudadiana me letting kon lat kitchen do the cooking. Jin tani do the cooking. Tani do the cooking. Kalade kon lat kitchen no there and there at all. Tani do the cooking. Tani. Titi kenishwalke letting lat kitchen. Ano. Chorus vocabulary. Kirate and continue no yaguano there and let it there kalatchen. Watch the ditches. Feed the dog, clean the window, tight up the rooms, sweep the floor, mop the floor, vacuum the floor, do the cooking. The reality there and there practice, ko bega kulangaja no titi ka let kitchen, be to go no subscribe ka bijan yaka nasin ko ken, gweja no bumutod be kabro be atamal.